Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To run a recorded macro in Word, click the drop-down Part of the Macros button in the Macros button group on the View tab in the ribbon. If there are macros available to run, then you can choose the View Macros command from the button's drop-down menu. If you do not see this command, you may not have any recorded macros available. Otherwise, after selecting this command, the Macros dialog box then appears. You use this dialog box to manage your macros. A listing of the available macros appears in the large white list in the Macros dialog box. To run a macro in this list, click its name to select it. Then click the adjacent Run button. You can also delete macros you no longer want or need by using this same dialog box. To delete a macro in Word, select the name of the macro to delete from the macro list. Then click the adjacent Delete button. Then click the Yes button in the confirmation message box that appears to finish deleting the selected macro. When finished using the Macros dialog box, click the Close button to close it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.